Hello everyone. Thank you for checking out this video and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about rendering softwares that can work with Revit and be part of your current workflow. But before we start this video, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell and leave a comment down below. Thank you. Autodesk Rendering. Autodesk offers its rendering solution that is tightly integrated with Revit, making it easy to create realistic renderings. Twinmotion. Twinmotion is a real-time architectural visualization tool compatible with Revit, offering immersive 3D experiences. Artlandis. Artlandis provides rendering and visualization capabilities for Revit projects, helping architects and designers showcase their work. Octane Render. Octane Render is a GPU-based rendering engine that can be used with Revit to achieve high-quality, fast renders. KeyShot. KeyShot is a user-friendly rendering software that pairs well with Revit, producing stunning visuals for architectural designs. Redshift for Revit. Redshift is a powerful GPU-accelerated renderer that enhances Revit's rendering capabilities, delivering speed and quality. TheaRender. TheaRender is a versatile rendering plugin for Revit, offering various rendering engines and advanced material editing. Maxwell Render. Maxwell Render is known for its realistic light simulation, making it a valuable tool for creating lifelike Revit renders. Corona Renderer. Corona Renderer is a high-performance rendering plugin for Revit, providing photorealistic results and an easy workflow. Fuser. Fuser is a BIM solution with real-time rendering features, enhancing Revit models with immersive, interactive experiences. Autodesk Cloud Rendering. Autodesk offers cloud-based rendering services for Revit users, allowing for quick and scalable rendering of architectural designs. D5 Render. D5 Render is a real-time ray tracing application that integrates seamlessly with Revit, enabling the creation of lifelike visuals. Podium. Podium is a rendering plugin for Revit that focuses on simplicity and ease of use, delivering great results for architectural projects. Indigo Renderer. Indigo Renderer is a photorealistic rendering software compatible with Revit, known for its high-quality lighting and materials. Radeon ProRender for Revit. Radeon ProRender is a GPU-accelerated renderer designed for Revit, providing speed and quality for architectural visualization. Maverick Render. Maverick Render is a real-time rendering application that works seamlessly with Revit, offering interactive and high-quality visuals. FluidRay. FluidRay is a real-time 3D rendering software compatible with Revit, making it easy to create stunning architectural visuals. LumenRT. LumenRT is a real-time immersion software that integrates with Revit to produce interactive and lifelike presentations of architectural designs. ClarisFX. ClarisFX is a versatile 3D rendering and compositing software that can be used in combination with Revit for advanced visualization. LuxIon KeyVR. LuxIon KeyVR is a virtual reality rendering tool that pairs with Revit for immersive architectural experiences using VR headsets. Ulio. Ulio is a VR and AR platform for Revit users, enabling the creation of virtual and augmented reality experiences for architectural projects. FluidRay RT. Fluid Ray RT is a real-time rendering solution that enhances Revit models with high-quality visuals, supporting real-time editing. Shaderlight. Shaderlight is a rendering plugin for Revit that focuses on simplicity and user-friendliness, making it accessible to beginners. Revit Live. Revit Live is an Autodesk tool for real-time visualization and virtual reality experiences, helping architects present their designs. LightUp. LightUp is a real-time rendering plugin for Revit, providing instant feedback on lighting and materials to enhance the design process. DIA-Lux. DIA-Lux is a lighting design software that can be linked with Revit to create detailed lighting plans and visualizations for architectural projects. Rendicity. Rendicity is a cloud rendering service for Revit, offering fast and scalable rendering solutions for architectural and design projects. LiveHome 3D. LiveHome 3D is a home design and rendering software that can be used in conjunction with Revit for creating interior and exterior visuals. Iris VR. Iris VR offers VR solutions for Revit users, enabling immersive walkthroughs and design reviews for architectural and construction projects. SimLab Composer. SimLab Composer is a 3D rendering and animation software that pairs well with Revit for creating high-quality architectural visuals. SimWise 4D. SimWise 4D is a real-time physics-based rendering tool for Revit, allowing for the analysis of structural and mechanical designs. HiDesign. HiDesign is a 2D CAD and 3D modeling software that can complement Revit for comprehensive architectural design and rendering. Lightwork Design Array for Revit. Lightwork Design Array is a photorealistic rendering plugin for Revit, focusing on ease of use and delivering exceptional visual quality. Live Interior 3D. Live Interior 3D is an interior design and rendering software that can be used with Revit to create realistic interior visuals. Insight VR. Insight VR offers virtual reality collaboration for Revit users, allowing architects to present and discuss designs in a VR environment. BricsCAD BIM. BricsCAD BIM is a building information modeling software that can work with Revit for comprehensive design and rendering capabilities. Fuser VR. Fuser VR is a virtual reality platform that pairs with Revit to offer immersive experiences for architectural walkthroughs and reviews. Clara.io. Clara.io is a cloud-based 3D modeling and rendering application that can be integrated with Revit for creating stunning architectural visuals. KeyVR. KeyVR is a virtual reality rendering tool for Revit that enables architects to explore and present their designs in a virtual environment. Planmeca Romexis. Planmeca Romexis is a dental and medical imaging software that can be used with Revit for designing healthcare facilities and rendering medical spaces. XirisCAD for Rhino. XirisCAD for Rhino is a parametric modeling and rendering plugin that extends the capabilities of Revit for advanced design and visualization. Build IT Construction Software. Build IT Construction Software is a quality control and verification tool for construction projects that can be used alongside Revit for enhanced project management and rendering. AutoTurn. AutoTurn is a vehicle swept path analysis software that can be linked to Revit for analyzing and visualizing vehicle movements within architectural designs. Geomagic Design X. Geomagic Design X is a reverse engineering and 3D scanning software that can be integrated with Revit for capturing existing spaces and rendering as-built conditions. SketchUp. SketchUp is a 3D modeling software that can be linked with Revit for creating detailed 3D models and renderings of architectural projects. Blender. Blender is a versatile open-source 3D modeling and rendering software that can complement Revit for creating advanced architectural visuals. Rhino. Rhino is a 3D modeling and rendering software known for its flexibility and can be used in conjunction with Revit for diverse architectural design projects. 3ds Max is a 3D modeling and rendering software from Autodesk that can seamlessly integrate with Revit for producing detailed visualizations. ArchiCAD. ArchiCAD is a BIM software that can work with Revit to exchange models and enhance architectural visualization for collaborative projects. Vectorworks. Vectorworks is a 2D and 3D design and rendering software that can be used alongside Revit for creating comprehensive architectural visuals. V-Ray for Revit. V-Ray is a popular rendering engine that can be used with Revit, delivering high-quality photorealistic renders for architectural projects. Lumion. Lumion is known for its fast and efficient rendering, allowing Revit users to create impressive visualizations with ease. Enscape. Enscape is a real-time rendering and visualization tool that seamlessly integrates with Revit, providing stunning 3D visuals. Those are the rendering softwares that you can integrate with Revit. Enscape is the only software that I used in Revit, which is very easy to learn. I have yet to try other software, maybe in the future. Alright, that's it for now. I hope you've learned something from this video and hope to see you again in the next one. Thank you for watching.